Hello, everyone. This slide shouldn't be new to everyone here. I'm sure you all have seen this either in a previous presentation or while scrolling through LinkedIn. However, when I looked at this image recently, keeping today's topic in mind, I was able to contrast the message of this image to the evolution of our regulations and therefore our own quality management system processes. The four-letter word data is not at all new to our industry, but our understanding of this word, the method of its collection and analysis, focus on its quantity and quality have all evolved tremendously in the last decade. For example, consider the management review requirements of 13485. We all at some point in our careers have likely participated in the collection, analysis, or review of various QMS process data in preparation for management review. Now, with EU MDR and its emphasis on post-market surveillance, we are somewhat expected to do something very similar, but scope to individual product families and present it in the form of a post-market surveillance or a periodic safety update report. Without commenting in favor or against the deliberate and sometimes exacting nature of EU MDR, I hope we all find common ground on this idea. If we are going to put in all this hard work to keep our devices on market in the EU, might as well go that extra mile and make sure we do so efficiently by reusing and recycling our data and making it more actionable and ensuring a higher return of investment in the form of a safer and more effective medical device. To this end, it is Vera and my objective today to share some of our best practices and lessons learned while using the risk management process as a tool to align several other QMS processes that all intend to prove our products are safe and effective. Let's get started by first making a mess. Let's throw all the different types of quality data that we will be looking at today in this circle. As you can see, we have a familiar terms such as benefits, adverse events, process output, summative evaluation, etc. Next, let's add some of our key processes. For this presentation, we'll be focusing on design, usability, production, clinical evaluation, labeling, and post-market surveillance. We will organize some of the data that we threw indiscriminately in the center against these key processes, and then try to align the data for sharing and reuse purposes using risk management as an independent process. We will continue to use this image as a theme for the rest of our presentation as we analyze each process one at a time. First off, we have safety and performance right in the middle. What do these two terms mean? We all know the definitions very well. Really no point for me to read it out loud. But the big picture is that safety is freedom from unacceptable risks, and where performance is concerned, the device needs to do what we claim it will do. GSPRs 1 and 2 do a good job putting all this together and setting the high-level expectation for any risk management process. And you can read these requirements on this slide. But if you allow me to summarize in my layman's version, I come to understand these specific terms and these requirements as, while it is important that the device does what you claim it will do, risk shall be reduced as far as possible without adversely affecting the benefit-risk ratio and taking into account the generally acknowledged state of the art.